Hi everybody, so today I got my Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them Steelbook. That is exclusive to HMV. Normally from HMV, when they send an email saying it's dispatched, you normally get it the next day, but they seem to have changed their shipping process because I think I got the email on Wednesday and it took until today to get it, although which is Monday, although I know some people got it on Saturday. So really nice looking steelbook. It's got that sort of matte finish but glossy where the coins and the egg is that the niffler's holding. On the back, special features include over an hour of expansive multi-part featurettes. Meet the fantastic characters and beasts and learn their stories, then immerse yourself in Makusa, Newt's case and more of the film's locations. Before Harry Potter, a new era of magic begins. And deleted scenes. I think that Johnny Depp's got a tiny part of in this film, but he's supposed to have a more expansive part in the next one. And it's also got Samantha Morton, John Voight, and Colin Farrell, Ezra Miller, Catherine Watson, and of course Eddie Redmayne. And this is Warner Brothers, so it should be all region, 133 minutes. Audio is English, DTS HD Master Audio, English 5.1, Dolby Digital, Castilian Spanish 5.1, Catalan 5.1, French 5.1, English 5.1, audio descriptive service. Subtitles, English SDH, Castilian, Spanish, Danish, Dutch, French, Finnish, Greek, Icelandic, Norwegian and Swedish. And of course there's a 3D version and a 2D version. I have took the 2D version out. Really don't like that 3D on there. I really don't think it should be on there. Most 3D discs don't have that on there. Just you know that it's 3D. And by the way, here is my Lego minifig of Newt. Lego only made any Lego stuff for Fantastic Beasts in the Lego Dimension set. They never made any regular Lego sets. I have to get the fun pack of, I can't remember the female character offhand. I will be getting that sometime, but it's a very cool minifig. I still have to build the vehicle thingy of him. Anyway, let's get on with this and take the J card off. Oh, that's quite cool, but I think get back to that later. The first thing that really sticks out is this horrible 3D on here. Really not necessary in my opinion. Ratings obviously can come off. It is a sort of nice matte finish with the gold and the egg glossy, which I think works well. Title on the spine, quite a long one, and got the Blu-ray 3D there. A long title. And as others have pointed out, I think it would have been nice if the title was embossed. Very nice image on the back, works well. Could have been a bit sharper I think, but I suppose it is a screen capture. Although I imagine they would have photographers on the set. and you can take that if you want, might as well. So we have the 3D, of course, it has a colour picture on it, and then just a regular, which is blank. And there you have a nice image inside. If I zoom back, I can't remember the name of it, but that's the thing that goes through the keyholes and unlocks them. That's the whole cause of all the mischief in the film. So just a quick look at this unboxing. Maybe I should have waited until it goes down in price. I doubt if this will sell out. But I really do want to see the film, and I don't want to double dip. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Take care for now, and I'll just show this again, and if someone does claim it, please say so others don't try. Take care for now, bye bye. Okay, so I just watched the film, and I have to say that I really enjoyed it. It was a bit strange watching it after I watched the diluted version via Lego Dimensions, so I sort of knew what was happening without knowing what was happening. Really liked the casting in the film. The special effects were good. Some of them a bit cheesy, like the invisible umbrella. You could just tell that had been green screened. Could have done without that maybe. I really hope that Kowalski returns in the sequels, because I absolutely love his character. I think it's a Harry Potter film without being a Harry Potter film. For those people who weren't fans of the Harry Potter films, and yes, there are people out there who did not like them, I think they can enjoy this one. And I was looking throughout the film for Johnny Depp's cameo. It came right at the end. I did not recognise him the first time around, and I had to wait to the credits to try and find him. I thought it might have been an unlisted credit, but when I saw who he played, I went back and looked, and I have to say it's probably the most un-Johnny Depp that he has ever looked. Really did not look like him at all. I don't know if it was the moustache, the ageing on his face, or just the hair, or the hair colour, or maybe a whole combination of the lot. But it just totally skipped me the first time around. So yeah, really enjoyed the film. And that wraps up this review and unboxing of this Blu-ray. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, leave comments, subscribe, share, and take care for now. Bye.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.